morning, student. Bar Science English Medium Chapter number 3 Human Reproduction. The female external genitalia includes first mons pubis, second labia majora, and third labia minora in hymen and clitoris. Three types of function. First of all, mons pubis. Mons pubis is a cushion of a fatty tissue covered with the skin pubic hair. Main function of mons pubis is cushion of fatty tissue covered with skin and pubic hair. This is soft. And second function, the labia majora are fleshy folds tissue which extend down from the mons pubis and surrounded by the vaginal opening. Means vaginal opening labia majora this function. Third, the labia minora are pair folds tissue under the labia majora and the opening of the vagina is open covered with the by a membrane called hymen. Clear? Hymen means outer layer zona pellucida and inner layer zona pellucida and outer layer corona radiculata. This type of three function mons pubis, labia majora and labia minora. The clitoris, a teeny finger-like structure which lies upper junction to labia minora and urethral opening. Means this type of function. First of all, a diagrammatic section view a mammary gland. First of all, this is a flat mammary lobe, mammary alveolus, mammary duct, ampulla, lactiferous duct, nipple, areola, rib, muscles between ribs, pectorals, major muscles. Means first of all, in this condition, the granular tissue form, the fibrous tissue form, and third, the fatty or adipose tissue is formed. This condition, mammary alveoli transfer to the mammary tubule, transfer to the mammary duct, transfer to the mammary ampulla, and last transfer to the lactiferous duct. In this condition, a functional mammary gland is a characteristic of all female mammals. Means mammary glands present for all female mammals. The mammary glands are pair in structure. Means pair in structure. For example, breast that contain granular tissue and variable amount of fat. This clear? This fat. Okay. The granular tissue of each breast divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. This structure, mammary lobe 15 to 20, containing cluster of cells called alveoli. This clear? Next point, the cells of alveoli secrete milk. Main function is a milk which is stored cavities for luminous parts of alveoli. The alveoli open into mammary tubules and tubules each lobe joined together mammary duct. This is a mammary duct. This. Clear? Next, several mammary duct joined from a wider mammary ampulla which is concert lactiferous duct through which milk is sucked out. Means first of all point, mammary alveoli transfer to the mammary tubule, transfer to the mammary duct, transfer to the mammary ampulla, transfer to the lactiferous duct. And these FSH means follicle stimulating hormone, means estrogen, progesterone, 15 to 20 mammary lobe is present. Alveoli in form mammary tubules. This is a duct. Transfer to the ampulla, lactiferous duct. Clear? In NEET in Gujarat MCQ, first MCQ, how many mammary lobes present in mammary gland? 15 to 20. Clear? Thank you, student.